Alright, let's talk pineapple, the sunshine fruit. This tropical treat isn't just bursting with flavor, it's packed with good stuff too. First up, vitamin C. Pineapple's got loads of it, which is ace for fighting off those pesky colds and keeping your skin looking top-notch. And don't even get me started on manganese. This mineral is a bit of a mouthful, but trust me, your bones need it. Pineapple is also a great source of bromelain, an enzyme that works wonders for your digestion. Think of it as a little helper, breaking down food and keeping things moving smoothly. Chuck it in a fruit salad, grill it for a smoky twist, or blend it into a refreshing smoothie. The possibilities are endless. Next up, we've got ginger, the spicy sidekick to our sweet pineapple. This root is a true health hero in disguise. Ginger is a nutritional powerhouse, bursting with vitamins and minerals that'll have you feeling tip-top. First off, we've got potassium, a mineral that's essential for keeping your heart happy and your blood pressure in check. Ginger's also a good source of magnesium, known for its calming effects on the body and mind. But here's where ginger really shines, its anti-inflammatory properties. Whether you're battling achy joints or a pesky cold, ginger can provide some much-needed relief. Grate it into stir-fries, add it to soups, or brew yourself a soothing cup of ginger tea. Now that we've covered the individual benefits of pineapple and ginger, let's dive into the magic that happens when these two superfoods join forces. Both pineapple and ginger possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making them a dynamic duo in the fight against inflammation throughout the body. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, muscle soreness, or just want to give your body some extra TLC, this powerful pair has got you covered. Pineapple's bromelain enzyme helps with digestion, while ginger's soothing properties can help to calm an upset stomach and reduce nausea. Together, they create a gut-friendly dream team that'll leave you feeling happy from the inside out. Pineapple's high vitamin C content, combined with ginger's potent antioxidants, makes this pairing a force to be reckoned with when it comes to fighting off those pesky colds and infections. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, reach for a pineapple and ginger smoothie instead of those over-the-counter remedies. Section 4. Weight loss wonders. Pineapple and ginger aren't just good for your overall health, they can also lend a helping hand in your weight loss journey. Both are incredibly low in calories and contain a good amount of fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating. Pineapple's bromelain enzyme aids in protein digestion, while ginger's thermogenic properties help fire up your metabolism, turning your body into a calorie-burning machine. Section 5. Tropical smoothie time. Ready to unlock the combined power of pineapple and ginger? Let's whip up a simple and delicious smoothie that'll have you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. 1 cup chopped pineapple, fresh or frozen, 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled and grated, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk or any milk of your choice, half a banana, optional for added sweetness and creaminess, and a handful of spinach, optional for an extra boost of nutrients. 1. Toss all ingredients into a blender and blitz until smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thinner consistency, add a splash more almond milk. Taste and adjust sweetness as needed. Pour into a glass, grab a straw, and enjoy your tropical taste of paradise. This smoothie is perfect for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or anytime you need a refreshing pick-me-up. Section 6. Your daily dose of deliciousness. Pineapple and ginger. 2 incredibly versatile and delicious ingredients that pack a powerful punch when it comes to your health. From boosting your immune system to aiding in weight loss, this dynamic duo can do it all. Incorporating them into your diet is as easy as whipping up a simple smoothie. So what are you waiting for? Grab your pineapple, grate that ginger, and get blending. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.